Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to connect a NeoPixel Jewel with Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one NeoPixel Jewel, and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect this. So for this, first of all, we will connect this N pin of this NeoPixel to 2 number pin of this Arduino Uno. After that, we will connect the power pin of it to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. And this ground pin of it will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino. And this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have included a library for the NeoPixel Jewel. And after it, we have defined the two variables pin to 2 to which this circuit is connected. For example, over here, this NeoPixel Jewel is connected to 2 number pin of this Arduino, and hence we have defined this pin number variable for 2. And over here, number of LEDs are total 7, and hence we have defined in this way. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Now, we have initialized one C variable to 0 that represents the count. After it, we have taken one variable for this in which these are the parameters inside it. These are the first one is the number of LEDs, then the pin number to which this NeoPixel is connected to the Arduino. After it, the color code of this Neo and the speed will be 800 kilohertz. Now, the frequency will be that much off. Now this is a void setup function in which we are beginning this NeoPixel. Now in void loop function, we have defined the 7 variables in which we have defined some color code in this way. And after it, we have defined one array of the colors from C1 to C7. And after it, we are using this loop. It will run from 0 to less than equal to number of LEDs, that is 7. So it will run from 0 to 7. And the different using this set pixel color, so we are setting this color. For example, over here, color C. So the M value will be vary from 0 to 7. And this array will be used over here in which these are the different color codes which will be shown in this NeoPixel. And we are over here, we are taking the delay of 100 milliseconds. And after it, we are incrementing this C variable. And if C will be equal to 7, then we will initialize again it to 0. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I'm clicking on Start Simulation. As you can see, how beautifully the different colors are coming. So in this way, we can connect the NeoPixel Jewel with Arduino. Thank you.